Yeah, we're packing a bit of silage here again. We're doing the 2019 corn harvest silage today. We did some the other day. We should get it done today. We already filled a bunk. I don't know, we probably have around 400 to 500 ton already. I'm running the 8770 John Deere. I run a 300 horsepower with it, with a 12-foot blade on the front to push. I can push anywhere to 8 to 9 ton with this thing. Get my differential locked in here. I hope you don't want to overheat today like you did yesterday. I cleaned the radiator out last night after we quit, so it's ready to go for this morning. Right there, that's a cool Yeti my brother won. The sun is coming out again. Yeah, they said it was like a 50% chance of rain. We were afraid it was going to rain last night. We won't be able to chop, but it didn't. And we had one truck break down. Dad finally got that fixed before the mechanic even ever showed up to look at it. So now we got an extra truck, because while that one was broke down, we called a friend of ours and had him come over home. So yeah, now the problem's gonna be is I won't be able to keep up packing and pushing since we've got the new 7700 John Deere chopper. It runs a 570 horsepower, something like that. It's hard to keep up on the pile anymore. Back when we was running the 5000 series chopper, the old self-propelled, one guy, this big tractor could easily keep up, but it's a bit tough now. So yeah, it'll probably fill this bunk totally full to the top. I'll probably have to start rounding the top. I hope we get 800-900 tons out of this corn crop. I want to say right around 90 acres or something like that. I don't think we're doing any hay this year. Chopping any hay. We got some sorghum, dwarf sorghum we're gonna do yet later, and then we've got some sorghum sedan, which we gotta mow that, then pick it up with the pickup head on the chopper. Actually, this corn's a bit on the dry side, this corn silage here. The reason is we bought a new chopper and we're going to do some custom work too. My uncle called my dad, and he was like, hey, y'all want to chop my Or Sorghum Sedan. Yeah. By the time we was done with him, this stuff was on the dry side. So I guess it's whatever. Part of life. It's not all perfect. Here, I think somebody said something to me on the radio here. Hang on. I don't think they're talking to me. I don't really have a service with the radios from where they're chopping to the pile, but I guess the piles get big enough when I'm on top. I catch a few words now and then. Here later today, I might be able to talk my brother into swapping around with me, and then I'll be able to show you what it looks like, how the 7700 chopper looks like. I wonder what their holdup was. Oh, Dad went over there with the other truck. So they had an extra truck there. Yeah, nice and cool in here. The seal on this window went bad right down there. I had to fix it. Before then, the air conditioner just barely kept up with me. And I got, of course, the cooler with drinks. That's handy. Which I need to fill it back up. That there, that's the wet distillers back there on the back wall, but about empty. That's the commodity barn there. Here one of these days, once we're done chopping and come back from Montana, why, I'm going to side my gun and I'll get y'all some coyote hunting videos. I do some coyote hunting, of course. Me and my cousin. And hunting season's here now. Bow hunting season. That opened up the 15th of this month. And I still didn't get time to go. Plus, it's super hot. Who wants to go climbing a tree? Sweat. I guess that's only for the diehards. I like hunting. I'd rather have to try to stay warm than sweat. Sweating's when you're working, not playing. Here comes another load if I get zoomed in on here a bit. Still around the corner there. Nice and cool in here. That's my ornery little cousin there. Instead of saying 10-4 on the radio, he goes 10-5, which is beyond me. He's just an ornery little kid. I don't know. He's probably 13 or 14 years old. We're only hauling a half a mile, so Anybody that's old enough to sit in a truck and shift some gears, if they can act like they're driving, they can surely drive. Only going a half mile. Now that end dump is not ours. Where I really don't like it. It don't slide out of there very good, but yeah, that truck's super old. Has a lot of problems. The brakes don't work the best and some stuff like that. Something wants to come off a rod that goes down to push the clutch, and when you push the clutch, the rod that goes down into the clutch, it pops off sometimes, and we just pop it back on. And I told him to put a zip tie on there so it doesn't happen as soon again. Most times we can run a whole day without it happening. We're upgrading slowly. You can't see the truck very good, but that's my favorite truck. It's like a 1989 model Freightliner. I think it's got a Detroit in it. That's the other guy that's hauling for us today. It's a good truck. They fixed it up, put some 6-inch stacks on it, and repainted it blue. It looks good as far as that, but and it's got big sides too. That right there is a super nice truck. It's my favorite ride. Slides, the silage slides out of there. Super easy compared to that end dump that my younger brother is driving. That one's a bit of a pain, but it's actually not even ours. It's a backhoe company's. People that do some backhoe work for us. It's theirs. We're just using it. We were going to buy it, but I don't think we want it after all. Right there, them black marks. That's what happened when a tractor does a burnout. Try to push 9 ton. It's just, sure, when it's a bit wet, once the concrete's wet, it pushes a bit hard. There's no getting around it. Right there, that's the other good truck that we got. That's a decent sized truck there. Runs out of there pretty well. Now that's the old truck I really don't like. It only got one tall side on it. Just some stuff like that. It's not my favorite. I think we're going to have plenty of hay for this year. Quite a bit of stacked hay there. But I don't know, so I'm going to wrap this video up real quick, so here a minute. There we go. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.